welcome back to my channel. And like and subscribe on your way in. If you receive value from this video, please watch until the very end. I believe my perspective on the market will be able to just help you as you look to invest in the cryptocurrency market. All right, let's jump right into the video. As we can see here in XRP, XRP is really taking a nice dump here. We have been talking about this area of support for a while now. We broke beneath that today. Today's Tuesday, and we have broken below that level today. The video I sent out last night, I spoke about the possibility of coming below this level, and on the 22 cents, we came as low as 17 cents. And this is on the back of Coinbase announcing that they're going to suspend trading on XRP. And of course, this could be pushed, or the impetus for this could be the fact that Coinbase is going to have an IPO, and so they don't want anything to muddy their initial price offering. And so we can see they suspended trading. That doesn't mean that they suspended holding, but they just suspended trading. Now today, Ripple vows to respond to the SEC attack amid exchange delisting of XRP. Now I find this interesting because it's like trying to go up against the Fed. Like, it's very difficult to win against the SEC. They have the federal government on their side. But let's continue. With XRP plunging in value following a wave of exchange delistings and trading suspensions, Ripple Labs issued a statement Tuesday. And here it is, the CEO. He says the public and press have only heard the story from the SEC side, and we'll be filing our response in a few weeks to address these unproven allegations. As I said in my earlier videos, you can go back there and check it. I'll have it. These allegations, as I said, they've been accused by the SEC of market making, which is just a professional way of saying they're manipulating the price. There's another question you've got to ask yourself. Ripple is in the top 3 in market cap, and for years it's been in the 20 to 30 cent range. Why hasn't the price on Ripple exploded? To me, this is just my personal opinion, I just believe the price is purposefully being devalued, right? It's purposely being held down, and I believe the CEOs or the leadership at Ripple have something to do with that. Ripple says the lawsuit has already affected countless innocent XRP retail holders with no connection, and I believe that is the case, right? I believe us as retail traders at this point, as the price is continuing to drop, and as exchanges continue to delist XRP, I think they're trying to shake us out, trying to shake out the retail trader. Now, this last sentence is very interesting. It says, Coin Center, a DC-based think tank and champion for cryptocurrency adoption, says it isn't prepared to argue that XRP is not a security. Guys, what is a security? That now leads to our next question. What is a security? A security is a financial instrument, typically any financial asset that can be traded. XRP is a tradable asset. XRP wants to argue that they're not a security. They can't argue that. You can make money trading the XRP token, okay? The nature of what can be and the nature of what can't be called a security generally depends on the jurisdiction in which assets are being traded. Okay, it can be traded in the US. They have an office that is within the Southern District of New York. Hence, they're not going to win this, guys. My opinion is that XRP, the CEO of Ripple, they're going to pay the fine. And once they realize they're going to have to pay the fine, things will just be settled. All right, they're just going to have to pay the fine, but they don't want to pay it because those are profits that they have, right? But I just believe eventually they'll have to pay it. Now, let's go to the charts, because here on this channel we don't I'm not into analyzing the news to make a decision. Let's look at price. All right, let's look at price. I am currently in right now. I bought in at 30 cents and I bought in again at around 20, at around 24. All right, so I'm in. Now I'm as I said in an earlier video, which I'm going to show now. I've been saying for some time now, for about a week now, that I'm eyeing 14 cents as a possibility. Why don't you just check out what I had to say about that? I just think there's going to be some news after Christmas about the pandemic, or start hinting about going into quarantine, and I think we're gonna sink into 14 cents. That's just my opinion. I'm probably in the minority about this, but I think option number 2, or scenario number 2, is probably most possible. That clip was about a week ago, where I said we're either going to, in my opinion, take off from 30 cents. I made this video right after price hit 30 cents, because I've been calling 30 cents from around 50 cents, 60 cents when it was around here, and it came into 30 cents. But then on doing further analysis, I said it's either going to come out of 30 cents or it's going to come down to 14 cents. And I said, really, it's most likely, to me, in my opinion, it's going to come down to 14 cents. And would you believe, guys, as I'm recording this video, I'm not making this up, as I'm recording this video, I literally got a notification on my phone that says the COVID virus variant has been found in Colorado. I'm not making this up. Literally not making it up. As a matter of fact, there are articles that have come out today saying that the variant to the COVID virus that was found in the UK could be in the US now, but it's not being tracked. Okay? So, and on top of that, we have the delisting of XRP on different exchanges. I'm pretty confident now that the move into 14 cents is probably going to be more likely, or 10 cents, right? I would say maybe more so 10 cents, okay? Right, between 14 and 10 cents I'm looking at. Now, notice here I have this thing, this is the last line of defense, right? I believe if we break 14 cents though, we could be in a world of hurt. And the Bitfinex chart doesn't have the price action pre-2017, but if you go on, I think BuyMex or some other charts, the next level of support, if 11 cents, 10 cents is broken, is literally less than a nickel. Okay. So if we break 11 cents, guys, this thing is going to tank to less than a cent. However, I just don't see that happening, right? Actually, you know what? Let me not say that. It could happen. Am I thinking it will? I don't think so. Am I thinking it will? I don't think so. At least I hope not, right? But for right now, I do believe this is a better position. And as it's standing now, I don't see anything that would give me cause to think that it's going to continue to roll over. One of the reasons is that we do have this bullish cross. So this is my 50 EMA. And this is my 8 and 18 EMA on the weekly time frame. Both of them are still above the 50 EMA. What would give me some cause to pause is if the 18 and the 8 and the 18 EMA cross over the 50 EMA, and you know, that would indicate a lot more selling pressure. But for right now, it says here according to the EMA that there are a lot more buyers in the market than sellers at this point, right? So let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's break this down a little bit more. So we can see here we spiked into today, as I said before, to 17 cents. We pulled up a bit. It seems like we're going to be retesting 21 cents. Let's go down to the 4 hour, and that's exactly what we are doing. So what I've decided to do, I've adjusted my trend line because I believe the previous one I drew has now become invalid. Okay, it is now invalid, and I believe that. Let me just clear this up a little bit. I believe that now has become invalid. So we have 5 days for this particular candlestick to close. If we close above 22, that gives me some positive vibes and feelings about it taking off from there. But again, I'm keeping my eyes on 10 cents, between 14 and 10 cents, I believe, as my last area to buy in. After that, if it sinks below that, I'm gonna get out, at least or liquidate some of my positions, because after that, guys, we're looking down to zero at that point, less than a nickel, and I don't want that to happen. I don't see that happening, right? I just think right now the retail investors are being shaken out, and this and honestly, you know, with the delistings, as you can see here, with the delistings that are going on from Coinbase, isn't interesting that if and I believe Kraken is next to announce, right? I believe Kraken is next to announce. If Coinbase is announcing, I think right after that, Kraken will more than likely announce, because they're based here in the US. And I believe that once these exchanges start delisting and the price starts going up, us retail traders will not have an opportunity to buy in. And so what I believe is going to happen is that they're trying to leave us out of the party, guys. Once they get delisted and the price starts moving, we will not be able to get in on the buys. Why? Because trading is going to be halted. XRP is going to be delisted. And this is why I'm still holding, because I believe once it comes out of here, it's going to shoot out like an absolute rocket. So this is why I'm still hopeful on XRP, and this is why I think you should also be hopeful, because the price action doesn't show to me that we're in a terrible place. Now, if we break below 10 cents, then I believe now it's time to be concerned, right? But I'm not concerned right now, because I believe there's still this strong, it's clear to me that there's still this strong level at 10 cents that goes all the way back to 2017, right? This is a strong area of support. This 10 to 14 cents region is a strong level of support on the weekly. You can even see it on the monthly. It's even clearer on the monthly. It's a strong level of support. And this is why I am okay with calling 10 to 14 cents to ultimately buy in, because it is such a strong level of support. However, if that is taken out, then, you know, all bets are off. However, I feel confident that we'll hold at between 10 to 14 cents. And this is why I think you need to be hopeful too, right? We're just the institutions and the big money guys are really just trying to shake out the retail investor. That's just point blank what it is. They're just trying to shake us out. But I believe if you pay attention to the price, don't fall into FUD that comes from the news, but pay attention to the price, guys. I believe you will be all right. So that's my take on what's going on right now. I will catch y'all on the next one.